I am a believer now. Look, gas ain't cheap, so it's probably about time we investigate some more efficient ways to keep us on the road in our internal combustion vehicles and make some more power too. Now look, E85 has remained a reasonable price, but what does that do in a basically stock daily driver? We're gonna install this on my Raptor, then we're gonna do a cost analysis on this. We're gonna do some testing with the Dragy to see if there are some real world performance increases.
So this looks super simple.
We have our main control unit, continental ethanol sensor.
I see we got a little bit of hose, we got some connectors here.
It allows you to add the ethanol sensor. This is our harness here, set up for 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, or 8-cylinder. One side goes into your injector, one side goes into the harness.
That's pretty straightforward, bro.
It's pretty straightforward.
All right, so we gotta top this thing off with some E85 and then we can get to some testing, baby. We only saw a 0.14 mile per gallon loss in fuel efficiency, which is insane. So essentially, after one oil change worth of miles in this truck, it's paying dividends. Let's talk performance. On E85, the best time we were able to pull off was a 7.44 second 0 to 60 time. Now, when you compare that to our best time of 8 seconds 0 to 60 on 91, it's a pretty impressive bump, especially for zero tuning. And this kit was super easy to install. It's not rocket science. So I support this. The fact that you don't have to tune anything, it does everything for you. It's basically idiot proof. That gets my stamp of approval.